Here's the brutal truth. 90% of online marketing strategies fail. Yep, that's correct. That means for every 10 people trying to make money online, only one gets it right. Wow. So if your email campaign, social posts, paid ads haven't been hitting, hey, don't be beating yourself up with that baseball bat. You're not broken. In today's video, we're digging into why online marketing strategies flop, and more importantly, how you can flip the script, because understanding failure is the first step to fixing it. And once you do, you'll be miles ahead of your competition. So let's talk about what's going wrong, because when people say their online marketing didn't work, here's what they really mean. There was no real plan. They posted on Instagram once or twice, maybe ran a Facebook ad, but there was no funnel, offer, strategy, or consistency. The targeting was way off. They went broad. Like everyone who breathes broad, instead of focusing on a clear niche with one clear problem, they didn't track a thing. I have no idea what worked, what failed, or why. Just vibes. If you want vibes, go listen to Dead. And worst of all, they didn't adopt to the algorithm changed. Platforms changed. Consumer behavior shifted. They kept doing the same old thing, hoping for different results. But let me give you a couple of quick real-world examples. Here's case number one. I call it the wasted ad budget. A client of mine I spoke with spent over $1,000 on meta ads, but didn't install the Facebook pixel. That meant no retargeting, no learning from conversions, just cold ads, throwing money into the wind. He didn't test copy or images or landing pages. His approach was a set it and forget it. Well, and it failed. Here's number case two, the evergreen trap. Another marketer had a course that used to sell well in 2022, but in 2025, the market changed. AI tools were rising, competition exploded, and the same course no longer spoke to the audience's pain points. She kept pushing it with the same email sequence and got, you guessed it, crickets. Why? Well, glad you asked. Because what worked yesterday won't work tomorrow unless you're evolving. So what's the fix here? The part most people overlook. Data is your compass. You don't track open rates, click-through rates, watch time, or bounce rates. You're flying blind. But when you do, patterns start to emerge. You learn which content gets clicks, which landing page converts, and which offer resonates. Then optimize becomes your weapon. Test subject lines, change your CTA, try a short form versus long form video. Marketing is no longer a guessing game. It's a feedback loop. And when you start listening to the loop, everything changes. Most online marketing fails because people wing it. I want to hear from you. Have you ever launched a campaign that completely flopped? Be honest now. Share it in the comments. Let's hear you guys. Let's learn from it together. And hey, if you want to avoid the next flop, check out my playlist on proven marketing strategies that work. You'll be thank yourself later. And as always, this is Scott. Peace and progress.